Hi Hari, today we are going to learn chandana ilish today. It's a nice fish, looks like the hilsha ilish, but it's little different species. Let's start the drawing and you can understand after completion of the drawing that this is a different fish from the hilsha, but same type of category. Okay, so for the tail, you can see that some racks available here, zigzag jigsaw like the shapes. Okay. And all right, you can see here. Mhm. Okay, little details to the head, and it has a different types of fin, you can see here, and another fin in the bottom. All right, so most of the part is done. This is the outline. Now I'm going to put the shades here. After putting the shades, the variations and the difference is going to be clear. You know, each type of fish has a different characteristics in its body types and the figure shapes different for each fish. That's why the name is different, taste is different. All right, so it depends on the location of the fins, the dorsal fins, the belly fins, and other fins available here, and the structure of the body shapes. So many types. So, of course, there are lots of difference. All right, so this is the usual outline for the chandana ilish. Okay, now I'm going to put the color for the fish. Okay, so it's mostly the deeper shades in some parts of the fish, and this is a nice variations. All right, now I'm putting some shades in the back. All right, so it has a little bit darker shades in the middle, and the variations is clearly visible here. Okay, now let's take the color, and before that, let's make the outlines like the solid formations and clear the separation points of the fish to the borders, to the surroundings. Okay, so this is little bit deeper shades to the last end of the tail. Okay, and a solid frame you can see to the last end of this part. So you can see the parts of the outside, dorsal parts. Okay. Some colors maybe you can put to the hairs for the eye here. Okay. And the variations you can make. Usually the head is little darker than the body parts. And you can see little red color on the top. All right. The fish is almost lively, you can see here. So this is the chandana ilish, little different. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. And you can also browse to the playlist to select lots of drawings in different categories available there. Please subscribe the channel. Stay tuned with Blue Hand Drawing, and we're going to bring more interesting videos in future. Thank you so much. Have a good day.